permeate each other to formulate new ideas.
Basically, all that means is taking multiple disciplines into consideration. It may be a situation where mutually exclusive disciplines converge, or where disciplines overlap on a deep level. Like you might find certain areas interdisciplinary where physics meets linguistics when it comes to areas of language and speech and tonality. So
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I don't know where to start. What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the